Hey guys, my name is Masha, and in this video I'll explain to you what you need to do to be in the running to win this bracelet and others. I actually just finished making this bracelet and there's going to be a tutorial coming out on it somewhat soon, but that's not what you're here for today. You're here to find out what you need to do to be in the running to win this bracelet. So basically this is going to be a competition. There are going to be 4 winners, one of which is going to be getting this bracelet, and the 3 others are going to be getting custom bracelets chosen by them. I have picked out 18 patterns for you guys, and I've divided them into 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Each of those levels has 6 patterns. You guys can choose any of those 18 patterns and make a bracelet based on them. You can make 1, 2, however many bracelets that you like. Each individual bracelet will count as an individual submission. Once you've made this bracelet, you can take a picture of it, upload it to Instagram, and use #NotWithMasha. Don't forget to tag me in the picture on Instagram, in the actual picture. Don't tag me in the caption or in the comment. Tag me in the actual picture so that I have easier access to them. You can do whatever start you like. You can make a loop, you can make triangle ends, you can just start making the bracelet and just make braided ties, whatever you like. The only rule that I have is that you must follow the patterns that I have suggested for you guys. Again, any color combination, any types of string, whatever you like, just follow the patterns that I have specified. This challenge starts today and will be over on the 6th of April 2019. If you're watching this video in the future and you're sad that you missed out, don't worry, I'm going to be doing more of these in the future. So let's talk more about the rules and how I will be picking out the winners. There will be 4 winners, 1 for each individual category, so for beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and 1 person will be picked completely at random. The person who will be picked at random will be able to win this bracelet, and the other people, who are going to be winners of each individual level, will have a choice of 6 other patterns that I will create for them. Those patterns are also linked in the description and you can have a look if you like. The winners will have a choice of colour and a choice of what I start the bracelet with, that be a loop, triangle ends, whatever they like. And the bracelets will be sent out to you by mail, which means that you can be wherever you are in the world and I will still send your bracelet to you via a letter. This also means that if you enter and if you do win this competition, you should be willing to give out your address to me. If you are over 18, you make that decision on your own. However, if you're under 18, I really hope that you guys get permission from your parents before you hand out your address to some random girl on the internet, that being me. It was really important that you get permission before you give me your address because I don't want to get in trouble with your parents. So you guys have about 2 weeks to create however many bracelets that you like and upload pictures of them to Instagram. Once those 2 weeks are up, I am going to be personally looking through them, and maybe with the help of my friends, because it will probably be very difficult for me to decide on my own, I will be picking out some of the bracelets that I think deserve to win. And on the 6th of April, I will be posting a video with all of the pictures of the bracelets that I have picked out, and you guys will have the chance to vote on them and determine which ones you think deserve to win out of the ones that I've picked out. The people who win a bracelet of each individual category will then be in contact with me and we will determine what bracelets they want to have and what color combinations they want. In addition to that, 1 person will be randomly assigned, as I said, and will be able to win this bracelet. So just to recap, all of the patterns that you guys have to choose from are linked in the description below. They are all separated into levels. You can choose however many patterns from whichever levels. You can create whichever color combinations that you like. You can start and finish your bracelet however you like. The only thing that I need from you is for you to follow one of the patterns that is in the description. Once you are finished with making your bracelet, take a picture of it, upload it to Instagram, use the #NotWithMasha, and tag me in the picture, not in the description or in the comments, but in the actual photo. You have until the 6th of April to upload pictures, and after then I will be picking out bracelets and you guys will then vote on the ones that I've picked out. I am extremely excited to see what you guys create, what color combinations you choose, which patterns you choose to create, and all of that. And I would like to personally thank every single one of you that will upload pictures, and I'm really excited to see this new interaction that we're gonna have. I wish the best of luck to all of you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. This is the main reason that I'm doing this. I really want to give back to you guys because I've had so much fun interacting with you and I've had so much fun with this channel. The 6 months that I've been doing it have been amazing. I've gotten so much out of it. I just want to give back to you guys as well. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited to see who's going to win this bracelet. I'm really excited what bracelets you guys make and what bracelets you choose for the people who are going to win. Best of luck to all of you. I post videos every Tuesday and Saturday, and I shall see you soon. Bye!